Prime Drivers, Driver Health and Fitness Coordinator Matt Hancock here, and we are at a rest stop today on the side of the highway in Conway, Missouri. We know that, like our other videos at truck stops and gas stations, you're not always going to have the convenience of going one of those places, and so we're going to show you an easy exercise routine today you could do with nothing but a band and your body weight in around 4 to 5 minutes. So let's get started. So today we're going to do a 5-minute exercise routine that you could do at any rest stop. You could do it at a truck stop, you could do it right outside your truck, you could do this anywhere in the world, and you don't have to have equipment, but I'm going to show you one piece of equipment to have with it. So this right here is a band we're going to use for it, and we're going to do 3 exercises. So everybody likes curls, and everybody likes getting those big guns, and so we're going to go, first thing, we're going to do curls with the band. So around the feet, so this is a little bit harder, one foot's a little bit easier. And we're going to start off by doing 10 of these. Perfect. All right. Next, it's hard to do pulling exercises when you're at a truck stop or you're at a gas station, so I really recommend getting some sort of a band or some sort, you can even use a toe strap for this, something where you can do some rows. And you're going to do some rows and hooking around anything like this, and you're just going to pull up nice and slow and down for 10 reps. Now, if you go feet out, right here, it's going to be harder. And you can see it's a little bit of a struggle to do that nice and controlled with the band. Whereas if you go right here, go a little bit more straight up, it's going to be easier. So we'll do about 3 more here. All right, last exercise we're going to do in this sequence are called pull-off presses. Now this is great because it's an anti-rotation exercise which helps to fight a lot of the twists and turns you have throughout the day, like strengthening up your core, your transverse abdominals, your obliques, your lower back and QLs, which are very important to kind of alleviate back pain. So right here, feet planted firmly, and you're just going to take this and press it out right there. And the goal on this is to keep real tight, like you're almost bracing for someone to punch you in the stomach here. So right here, and you don't want to do is just go like this and twist around. You always want to stay straight forward and do 10 of these each side. Nine, 10, good. Now we'll go to the left side here, so same thing as before. So pressing it straight out in front of you, tightening up the core, all of those muscles resisting the twist each rep. And one more, 10, okay, good. So that's one round. We're gonna do 3 rounds of this, so 3 sets of 10 reps on all this. So we're gonna take it right here for 1 foot and do 10 reps. All right, and the rows, we'll go right here, and feet planted at about that 30-degree mark right there, and do 10 of these nice and slow. Four more. All right, and last one, round 2 of our pull-off presses right here. So we're straight out from that, knees bent a little bit, so soften the knees, and we're doing 10. Nine, and last one, 10. Good. All right, now we're on our left side here, so the same thing as before on the right, and we're going to do our last 10 on the second round of the pull-off press right here. All right, last one, 10, good. All right, so we're back to exercise 1 here. Last round, so 3 rounds. All right, so round 3 on all of our exercises here. We're gonna start off with the curls. We're gonna do 10 reps. Last 10. I'm even gonna challenge you a little bit. And we're gonna do a hold at the very end for about 3 seconds. 3 more. And then hold it up for about 3 to 5 seconds. Get a nice static contraction with the muscles. And then we're back down. And then we're right to the rows on this. So 10 reps on the rows for our last round. So from right here, nice and easy pulling up. You find the faster you go, the harder it is to control. Five, 6, 9. Last one, we're gonna hold it there for about 3 seconds. Perfect, good. All right, so our last round of pal off presses here. So we're gonna do 10 reps with a little bit of a hold at the end. Two more, and then we're gonna hold. And then hold. Good. All right, other side. All right, so last 10 on this side here. So same thing as before. Nice and steady. You're gonna feel it tugging you to pull this way, so resist that as much as you can. 5. And we'll do 10 right here with a little bit of a hold. And perfect. So there you go. A quick 5-minute workout, 3 sets, 10 reps on 3 different exercises. And you could do that on your break time, wherever you're at. Even if you don't have a rest stop like this, you could do it right outside your truck. And all it takes is a band like this, a little bit of creativity, and a street pole to get a really good workout in. Check out more exercises you can do with bands like this on driverhealthandfitness.com to learn some more. Thanks, guys.
Hey Prime drivers, it's Sarah, registered dietitian with Driver Health and Fitness. Today I am at a rest stop, so when you're at these facilities, it's important that you have meal prepped or options on the truck for meals and snacks. So let's talk a little bit about what I have prepped today. First thing we have here is what I like to call a better burger. So we have our meat of choice. So you could do a veggie burger, you could do a turkey burger, a chicken burger, or you can do a really lean beef patty. Every now and then, that's okay. I've wrapped it in romaine lettuce, but you could always put it in a whole wheat bun, or you could do an open face bun, so you have bread on the bottom, nothing on the top. Then I've added avocado, your healthy fat. I've added some cheese for a little bit more of satisfying flavor, and then some tomatoes as well. On the side, we have some carrots and 2 tablespoons of hummus, which is a serving. Hummus provides us with some protein, but we still want to make sure we focus on a serving size. So this meal is a quick, easy meal. It does require a microwave and of course refrigeration, but if you have all the ingredients on hand, you can make this multiple times throughout the week. You could even meal prep it, keep it in containers like this one, and just grab and go when you need it. The next recipe we have is a sandwich using pocket bread, and this is a whole wheat sandwich. So if we open it up here, we can see that there's chicken inside. I just used canned chicken. We have avocado, again, healthy fat, some cheese, tomato, lettuce. This is a well-balanced meal. It contains your lean protein, healthy fat, and your complex carb all right here. This meal right here requires no cooking. All you need is refrigeration. On the side here, I've also added some apples for some more fiber, more filling meal, but you could add other options as well. Whatever you have on the truck is going to be a great option. So drivers, make sure you are well prepared for moments like these when you're at a rest stop, and stay safe and be well. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.